I wanted to start today's video off by taking a moment to pray for every AMC bag holder that is probably down 75% from yesterday's or Friday's close. Totally joking, guys. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Tech with Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing start to the week. AMC is down, and again, we talked about this last week. I don't know if you guys saw my video, but I made $15,000 day trading AMC, and it was just a day trade. It was a 10-minute trade. I didn't catch this entire push up. It pulled on back, bounced off of the EMA, literally textbook setup, bounced off of EMA, took a small position, added more to it, locked in profits at the first sign of a resistance. It began consolidating. Everyone thought that, again, it's going to go to $100 or $1,000 a share. I don't know how people still think that, but guess what? It went from being up 100% on Friday after market hours to now only being up 25%, which means they lost 75% at least. Pretty crazy, right? For those that end up bag holding, just another reason why to not be a bag holder. And I think the AMC traders are a good example of that. So what's going on this week? We have the FOMC rate decision this Wednesday, which is the FOMC meeting this Wednesday, July 26th at 2 p.m. Eastern time. I will be live streaming it for free on this YouTube channel to those that are subscribed. So make sure you turn on those post notification buttons if you guys haven't done so already. The second thing is we have big tech reporting earnings this week with Microsoft, Alphabet, known as Google's mother company, and Meta on Tuesday and on Wednesday of this week. So if you guys are not ready for that, again, I also will be live streaming that. Just another reason to subscribe if you guys haven't done so already. That is my main focus. There is a NASDAQ rebalance that happened today. So I think that we're still going to be able to take time to see how the market digests. So with everything that I just shared with you guys, we also have PCE prices. Let me go ahead and check the economic calendar. For those that are unaware, I would really encourage you to Google search an economic calendar that tells you on a weekly basis all the different economic reports that are going to be released. It's going to be in your benefit. Use whichever calendar you find to be the most accurate, and it's free and available to everyone, right? We got PCE prices that are to be reported on Friday of this week. So with the FOMC rate decision, with big tech reporting earnings, with the NASDAQ rebalance and PCE prices, this week is bound to be volatile, right? Anytime that something like this happens, there's a lot of earnings, there's a lot of reports that are going to be coming out. And because of that, with great volatility comes great responsibility. I have two main focuses for the week, and I wanted to share it with you. The first one is position size. Just like today on my TQQQ trade, this was all caught actually in my live session with the LPP team. So if you're part of LPP, feel free to go watch today's video. I didn't take a trade right at market open. I waited for direction to be more clear. There's a lot of consolidation happening. I didn't know if we were going to go up or go down. Market sold off. I call this kind of like the slingshot effect. The more that it sells off within a shorter period of time, the more that it's more likely to quicker just a rebound. I didn't expect nearly a full recovery, but I expected some type of bounce, right? It sold off. It found its support. I took a small position. We waited for confirmation. It was not perfect. I added more to it. And then at the first sign of a resistance, just like it showed during the pre-market session, same resistance range, I locked in profits. I kept my position small the entire time. I waited for confirmation the entire time before I added more to it. I didn't feel the need to be 100% invested. And I really think that's going to be my focus for this week of position size and also waiting for proper confirmation, making sure that conditions are favorable for me, especially with everything that's going to be announced this week. I'm either going to be staying cash and or I'm either going to be very lightly invested in a position, and that's just the way that I want to approach the week. $1,700 on the day. I think that's a great start for my overall week. I kept it light. I kept it tight. When in doubt, we cash out, and Monday is most likely, as of today, most likely the least exciting day. We have big tech reporting earnings after market hours tomorrow. Then we have big tech reporting earnings after market hours on Wednesday. We have the FOMC rate hike on Wednesday. It's going to be a very, very interesting week, and I'm just going to be very excited to keep you guys up to date. I wanted to keep today's video super short and sweet. Wanted to share with you my focuses. If you guys have any questions about what I talked about today, shoot me a direct message. I don't know why people overcomplicate it. If you have questions, shoot me a direct message via Discord, and that's the first link in the description down below. I do want to remind you, if you want to watch today's live session and you want to be able to watch me trade live every single morning, I trade live with one group and one group only, and that is my LPP team. If you want to learn more about it, it's going to be the second link in the description down below. Appreciate your time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. We'll see you guys for the FOMC rate decision and also the earning reports. Make sure you subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.